Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assessing what you have and clearing obstacles. First, confirm your phone supports the carrier bands you need. That matters because compatible bands deliver higher throughput. Once done, update the OS and carrier settings to get recent network fixes, then reboot to reset the radio. Make sure you test where reception is best, open air, high window spots, because location directly affects throughput. While testing, remove bulky cases that attenuate signals. This first set of actions gets you measurable baseline improvements quickly. Now you dive into optimization and hardware choices. Switch your network mode to 5G or 4G preferred where available, because staying on older 3G can throttle speeds. Make sure VoLTE is enabled for better call data coexistence. Next, limit background data and set APN values matched to your carrier to avoid routing slow paths. If indoors and signal is weak, consider low-cost external antennas or a carrier-approved signal booster, or upgrade the handset if it lacks modern bands. These steps remove software and hardware. Finish by verifying and documenting your results so gains persist. You should run several speed tests at different times and locations to confirm improvements, then lock in the best settings and physical placement. If speeds remain poor, contact your carrier and ask about provisioning, local tower faults, or a radio reset. Carriers can often see issues remotely. And if things go wrong, try a quick checklist. Toggle airplane mode, reseat or swap the SIM, and test another phone. This isolates whether the problem is device or network related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.